This video I'm doing here is for the body of Christ, my brethren. Um, I put up today's show, yes I did, but I had done it on Thursday afternoon. So you got it today, but it was a Friday show that I done. But yesterday my brother, Rick, and I've talked about him here on my channel, he had cardiac arrest. He's now in critical intensive care unit at the hospital. I was there yesterday. I'm going back this morning, but it doesn't look good at all. He had a serious deal. They don't even know how long he was out for before they started performing CPR. A security guard found him at his workstation, slumped over, but he's there now in ICU with all the tubes and everything, and they're keeping him breathing and everything and doing all the tests and stuff. But it's not looking good at all because he was flatlined until the ambulance got there, and prior to that, they don't know how long he was out. So I'm not going to be doing my show for the next probably week. I have a lot of pressure now to take care of. He was closest to me, so he uses me as his contact. And I love my brother Rick, and I just ask for your prayers for him. I know the spiritual side of things, so it'll be okay. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know. That's all. So you can contact me through Facebook Messenger. Just keep it in your prayers because I don't think he's gonna make it. Okay.